Who would have thought that bread would make your mouth water? After all, separation makes the heart grow fonder. Since we are limiting carbs as much as possible, we have discovered a low-carb recipe for one of our favorite side dishes, cornbread muffins. We know your time is valuable, so let's get started. The preparation time is around 5 minutes. The cook time will be about 20 minutes. You should plan to spend around 25 minutes making your cornbread muffins. This recipe makes 16 servings. For nutrition facts and step-by-step written directions, please see the video description. If you ever have any questions about nutritional values while dieting, look up your foods with Chronometer.com. It helps you track everything you need while dieting: weight, height, food intake, exercise, biometrics, and you can add notes for yourself. Check it out after the video. Keto side dish recipes by Healthy Helpings presents cornbread muffins. Here's what you'll need. 1 1/4 cups almond flour. Almond flour offers protection from free radicals, lower rates of heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease, better for blood sugar, gluten-free, may help lower LDL cholesterol and blood pressure, low carb, and rich in nutrients. 3/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is rich in calcium and protein. It is a good source of vitamin K, especially K2. Vitamin K2 prevents the buildup of calcium deposits in veins and arteries and may decrease the risk of heart disease. 4 tablespoons butter slightly softened. Butter may have cancer-fighting properties, promotes digestive health, may boost metabolism, high in saturated fat, and high in calories. Use in moderation. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/3 teaspoon salt. 3 eggs. Eggs are nutrient-rich, high in quality protein, help raise good cholesterol, heart and brain health, eye protection, naturally filling, feel full longer, one of the best dietary sources of choline, boost nutrient intake. Plus any extra mix-ins, for example, jalapenos, cheese, garlic, and ranch mix. A cast iron skillet works best, but you can also use an 8x8 square baking dish. Always begin by washing your hands before handling any of your tools, containers, and ingredients. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are using a cast iron skillet, heat the skillet in the oven as it is preheating. Add the almond flour, cheese, baking powder, and salt to a mixing bowl. Stir to combine. Add the eggs and melted butter to the bowl. Whisk together until well incorporated. Remove skillet once preheated and add a pat of butter and your batter. Or add to a muffin pan and bake for 13 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Bake until golden brown, approximately 20 minutes. Tip: these cornbread muffins complement hearty dishes like chowder and chili. Visit our channel for keto chili recipe coming soon. Store leftover muffins in an airtight container for up to a week. Check out our other recipes for keto-friendly, macaroni, and cheese, garlic butter roast beef, and goat cheese and mushroom frittata. If you like what Healthy Helpings has to offer, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Help us grow by sharing your stories and favorite recipes with us in the comments. We may feature your recipe and personal video link if you've made a tutorial for your recipe. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.